Honorable Chief Minister, Sir Conrad K. Sama, Government of Meghalaya, and Chief Secretary, and our Commissioner and Secretary, Commerce and Industries Department, and all the representatives of the federations of the Indian export organizations, distinguished international buyers, entrepreneurs, and esteemed guests. I am delighted to be a part of this historic occasion, I should say, and also to join you all at these important moments at the Reverse Buyers Summit 2026, which is a landmark initiative for Meghalaya and the Northeastern regions as a whole. A Reverse Buyers Summit is fundamentally different from conventional exhibitions or trade fairs. While exhibitions primarily focus on display and promotions, an RBSM is a structured, outcome-oriented platform designs to facilitate direct business-to-businesses engagement. Here, international buyers are invited to the stage, matched with identified sellers, and provided a focused environment for discussions on product specifications, quality, standard pricings, and volumes, and long-term sourcing arrangement. The emphasis is not merely on showcasing products, but on converting into a concrete trade relationship between the other countries and the other part of the world. SM 2026 will witness the participation of the 28 international buyers from 16 countries, representing key global markets including like Australia and New Zealand, South Africa, Russia, Romania, Kenya, Uganda, and Zimbabwe, Bahrain, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Slovakia, Azerbaijan, and Turkey, and Canada. This buyer represents a diverse sector such as the agri and food processing, handlooms, and handicraft, traditionally textile, bamboo and wood-based products, honey, spices, and herbal and wellness products, and value-added consumer goods. On the domestic side, more than 300 MSME sellers from across Meghalaya are participating in this event today. These enterprises represent a wide spectrum of sectors, including like handloom, handicraft, bamboo and cane products, wood-based craft, agro and food processing, honey and bee-based products, spices, herbal and wellness products, black pottery, and other indigenous and value-added products. The sellers have been carefully identified and mobilized through the District Commerce and Industries Center and the other line departments, ensuring broad sectorals as well as regional representations from across the state of Meghalaya. And also, I would like to highlight that the participating sellers have undergone extensive handholding and preparations. They have completed import-export code registrations and other mandatory documentation, making them export ready. This is a significant achievement and reflects the focus, effort of the Department of Commerce and Industries in building a pipeline of globally competitive MSME. The department has also taken special care to showcase the geographical indications tag products of Meghalaya, which reflects the state's unique heritage and identity. A dedicated stall has been created to display GI products such as the Khasi mandarins, Memong narangs, and Lakadong turmerics, Dakmanda and Larnai pottery, India and Chut Bichi, and offering international buyers a glimpse of Meghalaya's distinctive cultural and products legacy. This initiative clearly demonstrates Meghalaya is confident in its enterprise and its readiness to engage with globally market. Our state is rich in natural resources and entrepreneurial talents, and platforms such as this RBSM provide the critical market access needed to convert this potential into sustainable incomes, export, and employment opportunities, particularly for our youths. I commend the Department of Commerce and Industries, the State Projects Implementation Unit under the RAMS, and FIEO for conceptualizing and executing this first of its kind initiative in the northeastern regions. The government of Meghalaya will continue to support such market-driven initiatives that promote export, attract investment, and strengthen the MSME ecosystem. I am confident that the discussion and business meeting over the next 2 days will result in meaningful and partnerships and open new doors for MSME. I wish Reverse Buyer Seller Meet 2026 every success. Thank you. Kublai Mitla Jai Hind.